Hi guys, let's do a quick unboxing of this new dashcam Xiaomi Yi, which I ordered online few days back. As you can see, the packing looks good. Features characteristics printed, 4.3-inch widescreen, 3-axis gravity sensing system, rear and forward camera, large aperture all glass lenses, G sensor and Wi-Fi connection. On the back, included in the box, the dashcam itself, USB car charger, USB power cable, rear camera, user guide. Also it says it supports Android and iOS systems. Let's go and open the box. Let's open the box and see what it contains. The dash mirror cam itself. Kept it out. Inside that, the user's guide. All the instructions. The rubber straps to secure the dash cam to the mirror. USB power cable, which connects to the USB car charger. Inside this, you have the rear camera and connecting cables. The rear camera, double-sided sticky tape to attach the camera, and a 6-meter extension cord to connect the rear camera to the main mirror unit. Red cable connects to the car's backup signal lamp. These are the items included in the box. Let's have a closer review. The main unit mirror cam has a protective film which I will remove after the installation in the car. I will make an installation video shortly, planning on installing it on a Suzuki Wagon R. This is the power button on the unit. On the other side, you have the DC in slot which connects the USB power cable. Here's a schematic diagram explaining all the various buttons and all. The rear dash cam video cable goes in there. Micro SD card class 10 and above required. Capacity of 8 GB to 64 GB. These rubber pads provided at the back of the dash cam provide a good snug fit to the car mirror. Straps provided at the top and bottom of the dash cam need to be pulled out, and the rubber bands affixed around the main car mirror. The cam has been connected to a DC source and powered on. You have various options in settings. That will be all, my friends. An installation video of this dashcam on a Suzuki Wagon R will be shortly uploaded. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.